The first thing to consider when we upload animal metadata is that each animal will be linked to only one tag. In this case, we want to upload 5 animals to each tag in the screen. Test 1, test 2, 3, 4, and 5. To upload this metadata, we go on Data and Import Metadata. Here we'll find the option for the 4 possible metadata. It's important to notice that it will only accept files that are set to comma separated. This can be changed in clock and region, in additional settings, and the list separator. This must be set to comma. To make sure that the format of the file is right, we can download the sample CSV. And if we open this file, we can see all the different fields that we can fill in order to upload this metadata. Then here I have a sheet already filled in. I only filled the mandatory fields. Important things to consider are that the dates must be in ISO format, just like shown in the screen, and we can find the instructions also in the ETN page. The field tag must match the tag full ID, so the tag code space, hyphen, and the ID code, which can be found in the tag instructions. And in the last column, we find the tag serial number. This is not a mandatory field, but it's useful in order to track the tags later. Then we save. In this case, it wasn't necessary. Here we have the file, and also it's important to make sure that it's UTF-8 encoded. This can be done with the Notepad app, for example, and there's many other apps that we can use to check this codification. Once we have filled the sheet, we click on Import Animals, we download the file, and we start the import. Here, if it's successful, a green message will appear. If it's not, a red message will tell what error is going on, and we can correct it. In order to track our data, we can use the filters, like here. We can find the 5 animals we already uploaded. We also have the option to edit the tag, to duplicate it, and to delete it. Finally, we can also download the data. This will download the CSV file with the list of all the data that matches our filters.